The villagers of Velsao were infuriated on Saturday after RVNL initiated works to control the tidal movements by installing pipelines and blocking the drains, said locals. Velsao villagers opposed the blocking of tributaries, natural drains, which they allege is being done by the railways for double tracking work. According to villagers, blocking of tributaries will lead to flood-like situations in the village as the water is connected to the sea. Locals also fear the water will enter their homes. The police on site threatened to arrest the locals for objecting.
People started raising their voices for the simple reason that with police protection, the RVNL is executing the work, which is gross violation of every law in the land. इशू कितें आहा तो आतां ती तें आतां आमची म्हज्या टू माय लेफ्ट एक ट्रिब्युटरी आहा टू द रिवर्सल मेजर ट्रिब्युटरी टू द रिवर्सल वेर देर इज टायडल मुवमेंट्स दे हिंगा सुकती बत्ती जाता टायडल मुवमेंट जाता सो वॉट आय एम सेयींग इज हें तें RVNL तें आतां बारीकशी पायप घालन आनी आमचो व्हडलो हें आहा हिंगा फाटल्यान आमच्या सांकवड म्हणटाय ताका आमी कोंकणी भाशेन व्हडलो सांकवड मेजर वन तो तेणें तें पुरोय ती पायप घालन तें उदक आतां तें आर पार करपाक वता every time such efforts are done even in some areas they were done in Goa it is failure because you cannot control the tidal movements by installing small diameter pipes एक फारोज आहा तें उदक हें आख्खें भोंवता देर इज अबाउट 3 to 4 meters उदक जाता हिंगा हें आतां लोकांचे टायम येयला शेत रोवपाचो टायम येयला हिंगा आतां म्हजे फाटल्यान शेत कोसताय कसलो आहाय आं थोड्या 2 म्हयन्या ती शेत न्यू हें घातली आमची किलोपा घातलें ताम घातलें हांव कितें म्हणटा हें तुमी आतां हें कितें करूंक सुटल्या आं लोकांन कितें म्हूण आयकपाचें आनी पुलीस येता आमचे लँड ओनर्स आहाय ते शेतकामती आहाय तांकां वॉयस तेंगेचो स्टिफल करूंक वता तेंकां बंद करपाक वता डिस ऑफ विथ द थ्रेट ऑफ अरेस्ट.
The drain way which is there for the water to be drained is being blocked over here. So you can understand if it is blocked, the water will be in the houses. Second thing, we have been fighting for this. They have to show us the plans, what they are doing. Nothing is told to us. They just barge in, they do the work as and when they want. They don't even consult the landlords, nothing. Is it right? That is a big question mark. I phoned the RVNL the other day and I told them I personally want to come with the villagers and see the plans, what plans they are having. So when I spoke to one of them, he is telling me you don't get this one, that one, all the knowledgeable people who knows about this project. He doesn't want them over there. Is it right? The common people, they are not aware of certain things, the rules, the way it should work. So you cannot have a project here where you are not taking into consideration the local people. You take the local people into consideration. Summer season, if water is entering some of the houses, you can understand what it will be during monsoons, right? So we have to work together. We cannot say like, no, I will not do, I will do, I can do. No, we have to work together, taking into consideration everyone and be with the people. Finally, who is going to stay here are the villagers.
ती शेतां हिंगा बुडोवन शेत रोवपा मेळपा ना आनी आतां रोयलो आहा ती लिवपा मेळपा ना हे सगळे लोकांक आनी आख्खें हिंग फ्लोटेड जातलें हिंग भोत्तलें उदक कित्याक आतां हे 15 दिसांनी ती ओपन कोत्ताय आनी ती रिवरलायटान घालताय थिंगा हितून दर्या सुटाय उदक कित्याक हें भोत्त हें सगळें वयलें ओमया साय विहार वेस्ट वॉटर हितून येता आनी हें सारकें फ्लोटेड जाता पावसाळ्याक तें जाता आनी वेस्ट वॉटर हितूंतल्यान सगळें फ्लोटेड जाता आनी तेका लागून आमी गेले हें लोकांक हिंगा गांव बुडना जावपाक हेंका सांगपाक पूण पुलीस तांकां जबरदस्तीन काम करूं लायता
ब्लॉक जालो आहा न्हू उदक तेचें ते भाशेन जोरगत बोरले म्हणटा सांग एक फोर्यात जोरगतचें उदक सारकें वयर येता सारकें
खंय पर्यंत येता हांगा
ओगे आसा बरें थिंगा पावता सारकें
कशें दाखय थंय सायडीन
स्टेप्सांचेर थंय पावता सारकें बॉल येवपा सारकें बॉल सारकें आनी शोयत सारकें रोडाचेर सारकें
केन्ना पावसान
पावसान न्हू केन्ना जोरगत जाल तेन्ना भाशेन केन्ना जोरगत जाता न्हू तेन्ना भाशेन पावसान सारकें फर पावसान फ्लोर आसता न्हू पावसा उदो आनी जोरगत म्हळ्यार सारकी बुट्टी जाता सारकी घराबडी
मागीर तेन्ना खंय वयता तुमी
तेन्ना आनी कितें रावचें पडटा ती सुकती जावपासून रावची पडटा आनी कांय ना
इतितले 1.5 फूट न्ही 1.5 फूट भरता
हय
Kiran Borkar for Herald TV.